this hypnosis training actually just expanded so much more of my brain and knowledge on the subject. I came in totally new to this, not new to understanding the powers of the subconscious mind, but new to actually hypnosis. Previously, I had never been hypnotized. I had my own assumptions on what it could be based on my previous experiences and just what I've seen throughout my life and what people told me what hypnosis is or isn't, because there's so many different views. But once I came and met Trisha for the first time, she cleared up a lot of those myths that I had and debunked them, and actually hypnotized me very quickly and showed me some neat little things and just totally got me hooked in to find out more. So signed up for the course and the class and had an open mind, eager to learn and be able to bring this healing modality to my friends and family and myself, of course. When you take care of yourself, you're better for everyone else. So that was my primary goal. Coming in here, what I really liked with this class, because this is actually the second time I've investigated hypnosis. I did take an introductory course with someone who had been in the industry for many decades. So I felt like that would be a good start to learn. However, the class didn't provide me what I needed. I wasn't hypnotized. I was still in a confusion mode after the class ended. So did some more reading, and then I found Trisha's course, and so investigated more into that, came to the class now, and what I really liked about it is we had a lot of hands-on, and that's what I was really looking for. I wanted to physically do this. I wanted it to happen to me so I could understand it better, and I wanted to actually do it with other people, and we had tons. That's all we did pretty much, and that's what I need to learn. But what was really amazing is the fact that when we start the class, Trisha hypnotizes us first to be our best selves, to be able to remember the course materials, to access our inner creativity, to be relaxed and calm and enjoy this class. This class has gone by so fast, but it feels like I've taken in so much stuff for like months of training. And all of a sudden it's like, hey, it's 5 o'clock. What? It's 5 o'clock already? No way. And yeah, it's been really great. And I must say right now, how I am talking like this is blowing my mind as I'm just speaking without hesitation and clarity, and having the clarity. It's really neat because this is the first time I've actually felt just sure about what I'm trying to communicate. And that was one of the things that I wanted to work on, is accessing my memory better and be able to communicate with words with ease and clarity. So thank you, Trisha.